Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and today we have the biggest unboxing we have bought you yet, and probably that we're going to do for a very long time. We have got 8 boxes to head through, filled full of brand new products. There is 400 product lines here that we're going to have a little glimpse through as quick as we can before you fall asleep. But you might enjoy this as much as I'm going to. I have been looking forward to this all day. Now there is a lot to get through, so we'll try and do this as quick as we can. And this is really all about brand new habby supplies, beading supplies, macrame supplies, knitting supplies. So there's a whole different section to what we normally carry online and in store, hence why so much new goodness. So we are bringing back our beading selection. In this bag alone, there must be over 100 different types of beads, all packed, ready to go. There are rockelays, there are E-beads, there are seed beads, there are pearls. There is literally hundreds of different options. Let's make some mess, shall we? Look at that lot to go through. All of those different beads are going to be online and in store. Now it doesn't end there. Oh, there's some toy eyes. There's some more beads. There's some more eyes there. We've got some brand new macrame cord. I'm not very good at macrame, but we keep being asked for it. So I've done my research and I've been told that this is the one that we need. So you will find lots of colours of this being added to the website and to the display in store. Now there isn't just one thickness of this if it's in stock. As we go through the boxes, we will find another thickness as well. Now I'm going to go by memory, I'm going to go out on a limb. I reckon that's the chunky one. I reckon we'll find a thinner one. There is even more beads coming out of the bottom of this box. Endless beads to be found. Now of course, throughout these boxes at some stage, we are going to find, oh here we go, we're going to find findings. Because when we're talking beads, we need findings. So there we've got some of them starting to come through, but lots more beads in there. Now this little bag, what's in this one, I hear you cry. You can't see in a bag no more than I can. So we have got some hemming web. Oh no, that one's Velcro. Velcro in black and white. We have got some stitch pins. This is a brand new brand to us here, Celia's. We've not had this before. There is hat elastic, there is knitting gauges, there is double-ended pins, there is safety pins, there is machine needles, there is, what ones are those? Those ones are embroidery needles. We have got some needle threaders, there is some elastic, there is some household needles, there is some gold safety pins, there is some silver safety pins. And randomly in that little bag of Celia's is some brown eyes. I don't know why they're there, but that's fine, no judgment. Then we move on to box number 2. Now this is going to get a bit more random as we go through these. You're going to find things that you don't expect you're going to be seeing. There are macrame kits to make Christmas trees. There is some needle felting kits of hedgehogs, gnomes, dogs, mice, llamas, that's cute. Then we have got blue tits maybe, hummingbirds, I'm not too sure, I don't dare stop to read it, so we'll just be quick. Then we've got some more macrame angels coming through here. Then we've got a needle felting sheep. Oh, there's a couple of sheep there, cute. So needle felting is something we've been adding to recently. We of course have got all of your needle felting needles and all of your needle felting felt in store already, so it's lovely to see some kits come in. There is a punch needle hoop kit. This gives you the hoop, the tool, the thread and the canvas to work on to make your bee. We'll find more designs of those three. There is brand new Trimmets double knit. This is a beautiful double knit yarn. It is absolutely stunning, and we should find that in quite a few more colours. So shall we do some digging, see what we can find in here? Now if I remember rightly, I think this might be the one that as we knit it, it makes a pattern. But I'm not going to, I know there's one that we've ordered that we're going to find here somewhere that does that. But whether it's this one or not, I'm not too sure. So we'll move that to one side. That was box number 2. Get rid of that one, get rid of that one. Dig into box number 3. Box, oh, now these are good. Whatever type of crafter you are, one thing we always need is LED lighting. So these are pure light magnifiers. There is a different version we will get to soon, but we'll come to that in a moment. Then, this is something else we've been asked about quite a lot. This is a crochet yarn, purposely designed for crochet, hence the crochet yarn element. And you can see that we now have that available in 50-gram balls in lots of different colours. Now, we didn't just want to stop there with the crochet world, we needed to bring in some new elements too. So we've also brought in a crochet cotton. We've got green, we've got pink, we've got a beige, we've got a red. Oh, and then we go back to our crochet yarn as such. There's more colours of this coming out of the box as well. Now this one, I reckon we'll find more of them in a future box. Let's dig into box number 4, shall we? Now all of these goodies will be on the website for you, www.craftmaniacraft.com. They will also be available in store. We'll cover that in a moment. These are beads for your macrame. And then we have got essential Christmas kits of beads and wooden elements. We have got pastel shades of macrame elements. There's more and more of those coming out of the box. Then we spoke about beading, didn't we? We need wire to go with beading. This is going to be the beginning of some wire. There will be more, I am sure. Then we have got magnifying glasses with that true light element to them as well. So you can wear them around your neck and it's going to light up what you're working on. We have got some beading tools starting to come out of the boxes. We have got some hook and loop sew-on from Millwood. We have got some more pliers to go with the beading section. Then we've got some glue sticks to go with the glue guns that I have a feeling we're going to find shortly. Then we've got, oh, this is a fun bag coming through. What's in this one? Are you ready? We have got pipe cleaners. We have got mini pegs. We have got toy elements. We have got chunkier beads. We have got alphabet beads. We've got all different types of plastic beads to play with. They're going to be great for creating some different effects. Then we go on to felt. So we haven't had felt for a very long time. There will be more felt as we go through the boxes, I feel. But the beginning of the felt selection returning. This one's glue. I won't bore you with opening it, but it is high-tack glue. That's exciting. Then we have got more high. I think these might actually be something we've not had before. They are. This is something we've not carried before. These are high-tack glue pens. I had a feeling they were new. They're new. We like them. Then we're going to go into this bag. So what's going to be in this bag? Coming through, guys. Find out what we can see. So this bag, this little bag of goodies, these are bells, these are eyes, these are more wires, these are stick-on eyes. There is some shakies. There's all different bits of filaments in that one, lots more beady bits, lots more toy bits, beading thread. Where did we get to? Back to this box. So what are we up to? Number 5, I think. Where are we going to put all of this? Honestly. There is more cotton. So we're going through the cotton. That was up there. There's some more of that beautiful gold. Nice little, oh, look at this. We've got orange. We've got pink. We've got navy. We've got brown. We've got yellow. Then we go back to that other yarn. Let's move these out of the way. So we're back to our 50-gram crochet yarn. We've got a golden, we've got a navy, we've got a purple, we've got a red. Then we're going back to this one, the cotton. There's a grey, there's a white, there's a cream. Where is this all going to go? Then there is a brown. Oh, then we move on. Aran in a 100-gram ball. This is something we're asked for all the time. We do 400-gram balls. We've not ever done 100-gram in a plain colour. We do a pattern, but we don't do a plain. So there is green, there is grey, there is rose, there is burgundy, there is denim, and there is cream. Brand new Aran. And we move on. What's going to be in the next box, I hear you say? We are back to kits. So what kits are in this one? We have got needle felt in chickens. We have got needle felt in bees. We've got another dog. We've got a little fox. We've got another fox there. We've got a different doggy. We have got a hummingbird again. We've got a little duck. Look at the little duck. That's cute. Then if we dig further into this one, we've got bees again. We've got a different bunny rabbit there, looking at that one. Another chicken. Oh, that one's cute. Look at the little mouse holding onto the bouquet of flowers. That's nice for Mother's Day. Then I told you we would find more of them punch needle kits, didn't I? So we've got a lion. We've then got an owl. We've got a latch hook kit of a sunflower. We have got a unicorn punch needle kit. Now let's put these ones down because I'm running out of hands. We go back to the box. We have got punch rainbow kits. We have got a butterfly kit. We have got a latch hook kit in a rocket. We have a latch hook kit in a butterfly. We have got a latch hook kit in a rainbow. And we have got a punch needle frame kit in a bee. And we move on. Box number 7, maybe. Let's get this one out of the way because I'm running out of room. What have we got in box number 7, I hear you say? Well, we start off with felt. So more and more felt. I told you there would be more. I remember the felt part of the order. I had a feeling there would be more. Then we've got big lights. So these again are your daylight lamps. So we have got these in kind of table size ones. And I have a feeling, feeling they're going to be popular. There's a few of them in this box. We then have macrame beads, so big wooden beads for your macrame. We have got pom-pom makers. We have got plastic canvas. We have got the knitting Nancy's, now known as knitting dollies, that have come back in. This one, that's all beads. We're not going to dig into that. You're just going to see lots of boxes, but more beads. Another size of plastic canvas. Oh! Little cheeky storage bags to keep all your goodies in. So these are your fabric ones, kind of intended maybe for your soft craft. Maybe you're going to keep your wool in it, that kind of thing. Another lamp, and then another one of the table lamps as well with the magnifier attached. Then we move on to the final box. The final one. What's in this little box? Now I mentioned we was going to find more of this, didn't I? So this again is your cord design for your macrame. And I said that we'd find it in a different width. I thought that was going to be the chunky one. Maybe it was, I can't remember. But there is definitely more of these coming out of the box, as you can see. There is lots of Ada. Ada is something we had a little while ago, but we've been out of it for a while. So let's bring back the Ada. And you will find that we have now got this in different colours, in different counts. Now available in store and online. Lots of different options of Ada. These are beautiful. These are something I was really excited about getting. These are bling bling gems, and you will find them in iridescent, and they're these huge crystals. And then hopefully, oh, there's the clear ones. I love both of these, the iridescent and the clear. They're going to be added to the website and available in store soon. There are more of the needle felting kits coming out of this box. There are little wooden plaques for you to decorate as well. Oh, now these we used to have these many years ago. These are roses, which are all wired together. They're paper roses. And I believe, if I remember right, you get 20 in a packet. It was something along them lines. I'll have to count them to be sure. But they're in burgundy. Oh, there's some blue ones. There's some bright pink ones. And these are good for 3D projects. So maybe I can remember we did lots of MDF and we decorated around the MDF with the flowers. And they work out really good value. So you're going to see lots of different colours of these, a couple of different styles. Then, oh, there's a beautiful one. Look at these. How gorgeous are they? Now, we're nearly running out of room here, guys, so I'm going to come down to this end bit. But there is some feathers coming out now. All different types of feathers coming from this box. There are beading boxes. So these are great places to store our die cuts, our beads, all of those small components that we all have as crafters. There are some more flowers coming out now. There's some more storage bags. There's some more feathers. Now these are interesting. These are big macrame wooden sets coming out at this stage, giving you bits and bobs that you need, and you've got those in the painted and you've got them in the plain, so depending on the style you'd like to work in, we've got you covered. These are make your own gonks, macrame gonks. How cute are they? Then we've got some matchsticks. So anyone who's into matchstick modelling, we then have some of the rings for you to do your macrame around, but you don't have to do it with that. You can use these for lots of different things. They're individual, so you don't have to buy loads of them. There is a big heavy box here. What's in the box? Oh, fabric glue from High Tack. Very good fabric glue. Very, very good fabric glue. Then we have another box here. What's this one? Dig into this one. Oh, High Tack glue, and this is the original. I have a feeling one of the boxes we went past earlier is the Fast Tack. Then to finish off, we've got an embroidery punch kit with a butterfly. We've got some key rings. Oh, these aren't key rings. I was really impressed with these. These are a ring that you wear on your finger, and they guide the wool through. So as you're knitting or crocheting, the wool runs up your finger and onto your projects. You don't have to keep finding it or keeping it out of the way, I suppose. But they're new. I like those. And then we've got some tapestry needles. So that is what 8 boxes of goodies looks like in one delivery. Now, how on earth are we going to fit this all into our store? I have no idea. But we're going to have good fun trying. By the time we share this video, it will all be on display for you. It will also all be on the website. So as always, pop onto the website, have a cheeky look under the new section. All of this lot will be under new. You will of course be able to look on the brands pages for it as well. But as you've possibly picked up as we've gone through here, there's some millwoods, there's some trimmets, there's some anchor elements. So there's going to be lots of different brand pages you're going to need to go on to find all of this. So for the time being, check out the new section. That's the one we're going to link in the description to the video. But if there was something in particular you see, then of course you can shop for it by brand. You can also pop to the main menu. So for instance, like the macrame stuff, we already had some available. If you pop on there, you'll find a macrame section, and all of that lot's going to be in there for you. But if you have any questions, you want to know any more details about anything that we've had a little look through already, then let us know. As always, if you'd like to shop with us here at Craftmania, anytime you spend over £15 here in the UK, your P&P is completely free. You can upgrade that if you wish to first class P&P, and that has a flat rate of £3.95. If there's any of these goodies that you'd like to have sent to you anywhere in the world, then of course we ship internationally, and that is capped at just £10. You can find out more about the shipping on our website. Just pop to the customer service tab, and it is under that section for you. If you have any questions at any stage, please do not hesitate to let us know. And of course, don't forget you're going to get your Inner Circle reward points too. Whether you're shopping in-store or online, for every £1 you spend, you're going to receive a point. The more points you collect, the bigger the savings and rewards become. So check out the Inner Circle rewards section again under the customer service tab if you'd like to know more about that. Thank you very much for joining us for our 8-box unboxing video today. That was a bit of a marathon, wasn't it? But I'm hoping you've enjoyed it as much as I have been able to share this lot with you. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.